video, I will demonstrate how to take in the sides of a wedding dress and shorten the sleeves from the shoulder. It is a quite complicated process, but I will explain each step very descriptively. I am marking the dress's sleeves over the pins according to my measurements that can be different each time. I also make sure that the pins have an equal distance for accurate measurement. In this case, we are taking in the sleeve by 1 inch. Carefully unpick the buttons and loops without damaging them or the dress. I am measuring the shoulder and unpicking the flower pattern lace from the dress in order to unpick the shoulders. I also unpick the ribbon from the armhole. Now I mark and unpick the sides of the dress's body face, which is made up of 3 layers. Unpick the plastic panel that keeps the dress stiff and make sure that all the pieces that you unpick are not damaged and kept in the safe place to be replaced onto the dress after the alteration is completed. When working with multiple layers, I make sure that the markings are accurate and precise in all the layers in order for the final result to be even. Carefully start stitching the sides back together. Make sure that you double check with a measuring tape. Cut the excess fabric after you finish stitching for better result. Also close the shoulder with accurate measurements. Once again, cut the leftover fabric with care. Take in the sleeve and then replace the loops on the cuff. and stitch the buttons back on the cuff. Now I stitch the ribbon back onto the armhole after the sleeves are completed. Be cautious when ironing the dress because the lace will get damaged. It is recommended to steam the dress. If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in this channel. Comment down below about any future video suggestions. Click here to watch my previous video and down here to subscribe.